We're here with the captain, of Hydel High School. First of all, captain, rough game but good game. How are you feeling after 90 minutes?
I'm feeling very great.
You guys would have come out, with a game plan, an important match. What were you saying to your team coming into today's game?
Well, after we lost 3 points to KC again, I told them that we have to get this win so that we can move up in the table to get through.
All right, after going down in the first half, a soft goal, some would say, what was going through your mind?
Well, it was early in the game, so I told them to lift their head up. It's not done, and just stay focused and we'll come again.
And speak to us about your individual performance. You were taking the ball up and spreading it wide throughout the whole entire game. Talk to us about your individual performance.
Well, I wasn't pleased with the first half, but the second half I came out and I played the way I know to play and feeling great.
All right, so an important match. You guys managed to beat a fierce rival in this particular zone. What do you think that means for your chances of going to the second round?
Well, it gives us a better chance to go through to the next round. Well, we're just grateful for the 3 points.
And lastly, Kingston College, you said that would have affected you in the last game. How did you use that to fuel today's performance?
Well, lost that 3 points. We just had to stay focused and come again. That's behind us now. This was the main focus. We came and we got the 3 points and we're grateful.
Good game again, captain.
Thanks you.